Hey guys, today we're going to learn on how to scan QR codes on laptop. And in the case that we are at our web browser and decided to search for a keyword code. So in the case that you were given this type of keyword code, they're going to download it first. And once we've downloaded it, it's going to be saved on our photos. So from there, you're going to head on over to your laptop and go through their photos. And then once you've found the picture or the QR code that you found, you're going to go to your camera here at the phone, and then you're going to scan that QR. And then from there, you're going to see the meaning of that QR code and what it means. Or you can just tap on your web browsers, and then you are going to tap on keyword scanner online, and then from there we are going to choose any of the website that is working properly. Then once we found it, we are going to tap on scan, or we can just scroll down until we see select QR image. We are going to tap on Nigia Picker. We are going to tap on this since it is a QR code. Going to cancel the ad, and from there, it's going to give us the meaning of that QR code. You can see it has scanned the data. And once we copy the results and head on over to the search, we're going to see the meaning of the QR code. And thank you guys for watching this video. Please do like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys on the next